So what we are going to do is, others you might as well observe. So we will be doing 10 thrusters, okay, and then we will be doing 10 deadlifts. Deadlifts goes like this, chest out, back straight. Then you will be doing 10 high knees on each leg, and then 10 push-ups. Alright? So we keep repeating it for 15 minutes. Got it, everyone? Yes, I will keep reminding you of whatever is coming up next. Thrusters is the first movement. Try hitting at least 3 to 4 rounds. Considering the push-up is a tough movement here, aim for 3 to 4 rounds. Alright, let's get ready. Thrusters 10, starting in 3, 2, 1, start. 10 thrusters, everyone. Let's go for it. Very nice, excellent. After 10 thrusters, you have 10 deadlifts. Chest out, back straight while you do the deadlifts. Yes, come up full, be in control. Don't throw your body up and down, be in control. Yes, very good. After deadlifts, you have high knees, 10 on each. Yes, good Ajita, high knees, very nice. Then 10 push-ups. Good Radhika, good. Very nice. Good Dipen, good. 10 push-ups. That would be your one round. Time-wise, we are at 1.5 minutes. So lots of time. After one set, ideally try resting for at least 15 to 20 seconds so that you are up with full energy for the next set. Yes, thrusters is the next movement, the first movement of the second round. Yes, very good. Yes, Parag, slightly widen your legs next time, okay? Yes, bend your hips more, Parag, bend your hips more. Don't go down too much, bend your hips more. Yes, good, much better, very nice. Good, Varun, good, excellent, carry on.
Mehak, in my second round, can you just check my deadlift?
Sure, I'll do that. Show me a side view and the front view both. Yes, very good. Knees higher, those who are doing high knees, knees higher. In push-ups, keep looking straight, don't look down. Keep looking straight. Yes, Bhavna, let's go for it. Bend your knees more. Yes, and come up. Yes. From your upper body, don't go down too much. Okay? Go down. Bend your knees first. Bend your knees. Yes. Yes. Go down like that. Excellent. Come back up from here. Yes. Very good. Very nice. Good, Dipen. Good. Excellent. You people are strong. I believe you are done with 3 rounds and it is not even 4 minutes. Good. So it will be interesting to know what movement you find the most challenging. Parag, knees higher. Yes, good. Very nice. In all the movements, keep your knees soft, everyone. Otherwise, unless otherwise stated, these movements have to have your joints soft. Don't lock them. Don't lock your joints. Okay. Yes, good. Bhavna, go down further. Excellent. Ajita, go down further in the push-ups. You can do it. Very nice, Varun. Good. Yes, good, Vikram. Good. Yes. Okay, time-wise, we are 5.5 minutes. Lots of time still left. Yes, very good, Prashant. Very nice. Yes, Bharat, keep looking in front of your mat. Don't look down. Yes, very good. Excellent, excellent. Go for it. Very nice, Dipen. Good. Yes, Bhavna, relax your shoulders while you're doing this, okay? Relax your shoulders. So concentrate on your lower back. Engage your core, your legs, your glutes. That is what will be taking the load of deadlifts. Yes, Ria, let's continue. Strong girl. Yes, good Radhika, good, excellent. Yes, Radhika, try engaging your core. Don't let your torso drop. Good, good. Keep trying. Yes, Bhavna, let's resume. Time-wise, we are at 8.5 minutes. Yes, good. Very nice, Ria. Very good. Good, Varun, good. Go for it. Yes, Bhavna, let's resume. 9 minutes up. 6 minutes more to go. Let's target at least 2 rounds more, everyone. Yes, everyone, 2 rounds more. Let's go for it. At least 2 more. Yes, very good, Bhavna. There you go. Yes, good Prashant, good Ajita. Last 5 minutes, everyone. Yes, good Prashant, good. Very good, Parag. So if you're tired in the push-ups, try doing floor touches. But you should carry on, don't rest too much. Yes, very good, Bhavna. Try it. Yes, go down. Excellent posture, very good. Yes, Radhika, try going down from your chest more instead of dropping your torso down. Yes, very good. There you go. Much better. Last 3 minutes. Yes, Bhavna, let's go for 1 round more. Quickly, quickly. Yes, Ankita, 1 round more. Good, Radhika. Last 2 minutes, everyone. I should not see anyone resting now. Last 2 minutes, let's make the most of it. Very nice. Good, good. Last 1 minute. Nobody should rest now. 1 minute of workout left. Yes, very good. Carry on, carry on. Yes, Bhavna, let's do 5 push-ups. Quickly, quickly. 5 push-ups. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, everyone. Okay, so what movement did you find the most challenging? Anyone wants to share?
Push-ups.
Push-ups, yeah.
Yeah. Push-ups. Yeah.
Yes. Anyone else who has a different observation or push-ups was the challenging one? Push-ups, yes. Okay. Yes. Varun, you want to share?
Yeah, thrusters.
Thrusters, yes. Yeah. Squatting again. It's a complete compound body movement. Yeah.
Yeah, same for me also, thrusters.
Thrusters. Okay. Okay. So, had we done it with a slightly heavier weight for the deadlifts, I think deadlift would have, you know, outnumbered all others in terms of effort and in terms of challenge. So, because it's a very, you know, powerful, robust movement. But then again, the weights that we are lifting right now are not very heavy, which is good, like considering the overall workout. All right. Now, the next that we are going to do is the resistance band workout. We'll be concentrating more on legs today. Okay. So bring a shorter band. If you have a shorter band, bring that. If you have a longer band, just tie it around your legs. I'll show you how. So let's get ready. Okay, there I go. All right, so that's my band. All right, I'm just going to wear it right above my knees. Okay, right above the knees. All right. In the first set, what we'll be doing is we'll be doing normal squats. Legs are shoulder length apart. Try keeping your hands up. We'll be doing overhead squat. And from here, go down as deep as possible and come back up. Okay. Don't be in a hurry to finish this workout. Just try going as deep as possible and keep your legs positioned like this. Try that your knees don't go out too much when you go up. Knees should point straight. Alright, let's get ready. 10 squats, everyone. Start. First set, 10 squats. Yes, very good. Radhika, toes point straight. Toes are not out. Toes point straight. Huh? Now go down. Yes, much better. Very nice. Very nice. Good. 10 counts. Yes, very nice. Go deeper. Yes, good. Go deeper, everyone. Okay, next set has a variation. Don't remove your band. Stay there. Okay, now I'm going to use a wall now in the next set. So that's the wall that I'll be using. I hope it is clear what I'm going to do. So just stand against the wall as close as possible. Okay, now from here, legs are shoulder length apart. Try squatting as deep as possible and come back up. Okay, try squatting as deep and come back up. Let's try that against the wall. Stand as close to the wall as possible. As close to the wall. Yes, Bharat, you also do it. Stand close to the wall. You can use that, yeah, you can use that window if possible. Yes, just stand there. That's fine. Yes, go down as deep. Yes, good, Ajita, good. Good, yes. Your knees might touch the wall and that is fine. Yes, good, Parag, good. Very nice, Vikram, good. Toes will point straight. Don't keep your toes out. Toes will point straight. Ten counts and then relax yourself a bit. We are going to do one more set against the wall. Let's do one more set against the wall, 10 counts. Just make sure that if this is the wall and this is your feet, it has to be close to the wall, as close as possible. If you stand away from the wall, you will not reap the benefit of what we are trying to do. So keep your feet against the wall and toes should not point out. Toes are in. So if this is your body, your toes are here. They are not out. Toes are here. Let's do it 10 counts again against the wall. Let your knees touch the wall. That's fine. But you should be able to go down as deep. Yes, good. Yes, so the pain, try not holding the wall, just you should be touching the wall. Yes, it's a very good exercise for squat posture correction. Yes, very good, Vikram, very nice. Good efforts. Excellent. Okay, relax if you are done. Alright, now the next movement that we will be doing is a squat walk. We will be walking side to side, okay? Just observe. So the band is still there right above the knees. Now what we are going to do is legs shoulder length apart, bend down in a squat to begin with. Now start walking side to side. On one side and then side to side on the other side. Just observe that you should not be too wide, not too narrow, okay? Just stay in the squat throughout. Alright, yes? Let's go for it. 30 seconds is what we are going to do. So, few steps on your left, few steps on your right. Get ready. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Squat, start walking. Yes, very nice. Good, good. Chest out, back straight, core engaged. Stomach tucked in, everyone. Go, go, yes. 10 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Don't remove your band. Keep walking. Don't sit. Stand, stand, everyone. Keep standing. Okay, let's get ready. Second set. Same movement, squat walk, 30 seconds. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Start walking side to side. Yes, very nice, Vikram. Very good. Good Dipen. Excellent. Feel that burning sensation in your quads. Chest out, back straight. Stomach tucked in. Yes. Keep repeating that to yourself. Bend down more, everyone. Bend down. Yes. 10 more seconds. Don't give up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now, the last set, what we'll be doing is, we'll be doing a front walk. Okay. So, just observe. It is the same movement, just that now we are walking in front. So, legs shoulder length apart. Squat, walk in front, few steps, walk backward, few steps. Okay, we do this for 30 seconds. Let's get ready. Take your position. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, walk. Walk back. Keep doing that. Chest out, back straight. Yes, let your quads burn. Go down, partner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, remove your band. Rest for some time. Remove your band. Walk, have water. Now we move to side leg raises after this. Just have water, rest for few seconds more, then we'll start. Okay. Now, in order to do your side leg raises, what we'll be doing is, you'll be standing against the wall. Alright? Just wait. Alright, so you'll be standing against the wall. Now from here, you need to raise your leg on the sides. So the band is again above your knees. Alright, it is not on your feet, it is above your knees. Just lean again, so just hold the wall so that when you are leaning, you don't lean. You need to stand straight. And from here, lift your leg up. Alright, we do 20 on each side. Now when you are lifting the leg up, just make sure the toe is pointing straight. It is not like this. And don't tilt your torso and do this. Torso straight, body supported with the wall, and lift your leg up and slightly at the back. So it should not be here. It should be side and back. If you look at it, it looks like this. Alright, yes. Let's go for it. 20 counts on each leg. Start. Wear your band right above your knees. Yes, 20 counts. Give it a pause as you go up. Yes, good. Make sure your leg doesn't come forward. It is slightly at the back. So we are trying to work on our glutes and hip abductors. Yes, good. If you are done 20, you can relax. Don't remove your band. Just relax, don't remove. Okay, now in the next movement, what you will be doing is you will be squatting and raising your leg on the side and then again squatting. Just watch. So legs are shoulder length apart, band is right above the knees. You squat, raise your one leg. Squat, raise the other leg. Squat, raise, side leg raise, one leg. Squat, side leg raise, another leg. Okay. Let's do 10 side leg raises on each side, which means you will be doing 20 squats. Start. Squat. Yes. Raise your side leg. Squat again. Raise the side leg. Yes, keep doing that. 20 squats, 10 side leg raises on each leg. Quickly, yes. Bhavna, let's go for it. Start Bhavna. What are you thinking? Squat, raise side leg, squat again. Yes, your band is right above the knees. It is not too high. Bhavna, let's go for it. Very nice. Good, Varun, good. Yes, very nice, Bhavna. Very good. Yes, Radhika, your legs are too wide. Be in the shoulder stance. Yes. Okay. If you are done, you can relax, remove your band. Okay. One last movement we are left with now is a leg curl, and how are we going to do it? So again, a smaller band. I'm going to lie down and show it to you. Now the band is around the feet. Okay, just observe. You need to lie down completely on the floor. Band is right there on your feet. Okay. Now from here you need to lift your, so just tight so that it doesn't move from one foot. Just lift your feet up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Let's watch a side angle. So if I'm here, okay, I'll just go forward. If I'm here, you do the leg curl. Up and down. Up and down. When you lift it up, you need to slightly pause it here. This is where your hamstrings will be used. Okay. So one end is tied onto the feet of the other leg. Yes. Let's go for it. 10 counts on each leg. Start. Wrap it around your feet, not your ankles, around your feet. Okay. Yes. Turn around. Yes, lift one leg up. One leg remains on the floor. Bhavna, one leg remains on the floor. Try lifting from the other leg. Yes. One leg at a time we are going to do. Okay. So start with maybe your left leg or your right leg, whatever. And the band is wrapped around your foot, not your ankles, your foot. Try to flatten your foot of the other leg, which will give you a better grip. Bhavna, lift it up more. One leg at a time. Don't do alternate. Yes, good. Very nice. Much better. Radhika, fold the leg from the knees. Yes, curl it means folding the leg from the knees. Yes. Yes, good. Yes, very nice. Varun, yours is good. Yes, Parag, both the legs have to be on the floor first to begin with. Now try lifting only one leg up. Curl it, yes, and bring it down. Very nice, good. 10 counts on each leg. That is what we are going to do, and 2 sets of that. Do one more. If you are done one set, try doing one more. Yes. Good, Ajita, good. Very nice. Pause it there as you curl. Curl your leg, hold for at least 1 second, then change. Yes, good. Yes, good Ankita, good. Good efforts. Don't tilt your body, Ankita. Keep your body straight. Yes. Yes, good. Use your hamstring strength to curl the leg. Yes, if you're done 2 sets, you can relax. That is all for today. But make sure, while those who are doing, pause for a second. Very nice, Dipen. Good, very good, Varun. Yes, Bhavna, let's do 2-3 more. One leg at a time. Yes, very good. Curl, curl, Bhavna, you're doing good. Curl. Pause. Yes. Yes. If we are done 2 sets, 10 counts on each leg, you will get up and start walking. Yes, Parag, are you doing it or you done? Okay, those who are done will get up, take a walk. Others will finish their workout. Take your time. Good, Vikram, good. Very nice. Not both the legs, Bhavna, one leg at a time. That is the trick. If you're done, then relax. Okay. Walk around, everyone. Drop away your mats, your bands. We are through with the workout.